Hey everybody, it's Angie and welcome to Hot and Flashy. I'm so excited for today's video, probably more excited than I've ever been for any video on my channel. I know I start quite a few of them that way, but this excitement of today is really taking the cake because this is the day that I finally get to announce to you guys and let you know that I am launching my own skincare line. And yeah, I've teased it out in a couple of videos before, but I never really got into the specifics of what it was, what it's called, how much it costs, why I even decided to do something like this in the first place. I mean, you know, when I started my channel 12, 13 years ago, I never would have guessed that I would have been able to build my YouTube channel up to the size and the reach that it has. I never would have guessed that I could have done a brush collab with BK Beauty. And I certainly never would have guessed that at 62, almost 63, I'd be launching my own brand of skincare. But it just seemed to make sense to do this because the product that I really wanted just wasn't out there on the market. I was using up to 11 different products to get all the ingredients that I wanted into my skincare routine. My skincare routine was getting overly complicated, overly expensive, overly confusing for me as well as for those of you who are following along with it. I ended up having to make a printable guide that you could pin up inside your medicine chest to show you what order to put things in. And so what I wanted to do was to take a lot of the guesswork and a lot of the time and a lot of the expense out of skincare by combining multiple active ingredients into less products. And so I asked my dad, who's a cosmetic chemist and a formulator, if it was possible to put some of these ingredients together in the same bottle. And he said, well, of course you can, and it should be fairly easy to do. Well, he underestimated how easy it would be to do. It's actually been years in the making, and it just is everything that I want this skincare to be. So before I get too far ahead of myself, let me introduce you to Angies Actives. The brand is what the name implies. They are the active ingredients from my skincare routine, which is normally 8 over-the-counter products, and we combine them into 2 elegantly formulated products. But rather than putting just trace amounts of the ingredients into the bottles and saying that they're going to be just as effective, we put clinically effective amounts of each ingredient into the bottles, and we tell you how much is in there right here on the label. So on both of our products, you can see how much of each ingredient is in there. So it takes all the guesswork out of knowing whether you're getting enough to actually do something for your skin. So that's really the theme and the idea behind my brand, is not to reinvent the wheel, not to introduce you to some magical new ingredient that's completely unproven. What I've done is I've taken the proven ingredients that I've used for the last 12 years that have really helped my skin, and I just wanted to make our skincare routine easier. I wanted to strip out a lot of the cost. I wanted to strip out a lot of the time and the effort. I wanted to strip out a lot of the confusion about where things fit in the routine and where things layer. Basically, I wanted to save all of us time and money in doing our everyday skincare routine. And so the 2 products that we're launching with that idea in mind is first, Activate peptide and antioxidant loaded lotion for beautifully aging skin. And then the second product is my all-in vitamin C plus lactic loaded serum for beautifully aging skin. And this basically represents all of the over-the-counter skincare in my skincare routine with the exception of face washes and sunscreen. These first 2 products in the line layer beautifully over each other. They also layer beautifully with my prescription skincare, with my sunscreens. So what does that mean for you in practical terms for your skincare routine? It means that you get more active ingredients and less water, less filler, less preservatives. There will be less shipping, less packaging, so it's good for the planet. It'll be less expensive because to buy all those products separately is $178. It also means less time putting on multiple products. It means less confusion trying to figure out how you work those products together, less chance of balling and pilling or bad interactions between products on your skin or feeling heavy or greasy. Here's a little video of me putting on my old morning skincare routine side by side with me using my 2 Angies Actives products in my new morning skincare routine, just to show you the difference in how quick and easy it is to use these 2 to cut my routine in half from 4 steps down to just 2. Our website is up and running. We are fully stocked and ready to ship product to you. And the website address is angiesactives.com. All right, so now I want to introduce you to each product individually, tell you what's in it and which products of my skincare routine this can take the place of and where I use it in my skincare routine. My Activate Peptide and Antioxidant Loaded Lotion for beautifully aging skin is an elegant moisturizing lotion that packs 8 of the active ingredients that replaces 5 steps in my skincare routine with 1 easy step. So it's a one and done product that can help your skin in so many different ways. Everyone's skin is aging, no matter how old you are, and you want it to age beautifully. So you want to have a healthy, strong skin barrier, and you want to use all the ingredients on it that will help it to be healthy, that will help it to be strong, that will help it to have that lit from within glow. And that's what this lotion gives you. These can definitely be used by anyone of any age. It's got 8% Matrixyl 3000. This is a collagen building, wrinkle reducing peptide. It's one of the most proven peptides. This also includes 8% of a ceramide blend. Ceramides are fatty lipids that strengthen the skin barrier and keep your skin plump and hydrated. I've also added 5% niacinamide. Niacinamide is a stable antioxidant that fades discolorations, reduces the look of wrinkles, and reduces the look of pores. It's got 5% glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and it holds water to the surface of the skin. It helps to firm and plump the skin and keep it moisturized from the outside in. We've also included 2% Matrixyl Synth 6. This is another Matrixyl peptide. Matrixyl Synth 6 reduces discolorations and wrinkles by increasing synthesis of 6 different parts of the extracellular matrix. We've also got 1% coenzyme Q10. CoQ10 is one of my favorite skincare ingredients of all time. It's an antioxidant. It also helps to energize skin, and energized skin can act younger and do more. It also contains 1% green tea extract. Green tea is an antioxidant, so it fights those free radicals, but it's also anti-inflammatory, so it's calming and soothing. And we've also included 1% hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid brings water to the surface of your skin so that it looks plumper and firmer and smoother. To buy all the products that I use to get all the active ingredients in my Activate lotion costs me normally $110. The everyday low price of Activate lotion is just $39. This lotion has a lightweight but creamy lotion texture. It glides beautifully over the skin. It absorbs really quickly. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy, but it keeps your skin so hydrated all day or all night. One of the first things you're going to notice about my Activate lotion is the yellow color. It is a gorgeous pale yellow color. That's because of the CoQ10 in it. CoQ10 is normally a dark orange color, and so adding even just 1% in here colors this lotion to a yellow color. To apply the Activate lotion, I put 1 pump on my fingertips. I spread it around my face and my neck and rub it in. Then I use another pump for my chest and the backs of my hands. Let me introduce you to Angies Active's all-in vitamin C plus lactic loaded serum for beautifully aging skin. This is our lower pH acid serum that replaced 3 products in my anti-aging skincare routine, and it packs 6 active ingredients into this one bottle. Vitamin C and lactic acid are 2 ingredients that work best at a lower pH environment, and research shows that vitamin C and alpha hydroxy acids like lactic acid work synergistically together to boost each other's efficacy, which is why I've always used them together in my morning skincare routine. So the 6 hero ingredients that are research-backed and do amazing things for your skin that we've included in here are 20% ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is the vitamin C in here. The only form of vitamin C that I've ever used and that I think is effective based on the research is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is a precursor for building collagen in your skin. Your skin cannot make collagen without ascorbic acid in there. Vitamin C also protects against photoaging, and it also protects the collagen that you do have. It decreases pigmentation on the surface of your skin. All in also contains 10% lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. Those are the chemical exfoliants of the skin. They work to dissolve the glue that holds dead skin cells onto the surface, and that makes your skin brighter. It makes it look less wrinkly, less crepey, less dry. Then we've also got 1% 1% resveratrol. It fights free radicals, but it's also calming and soothing. We've also got 1% hyaluronic acid. That's plumping, firming, hydrating, and improves skin elasticity. There are two other antioxidants that I always look for along with my ascorbic acid. Those are ferulic acid and vitamin E. Vitamin E scavenges free radicals, reduces irritation, inflammation, and discolorations, and also stabilizes the vitamin C. Ferulic acid stabilizes and enhances both the vitamin E and the vitamin C in here, but it also reduces redness and inflammation. To purchase the three products that are replaced by All In normally costs $68. This serum is $29 every day. Where it has the two acids in it, it can be a little bit tingly on the skin. I know some people love that tingle. They feel like that means it's working. I don't mind a little tingle as long as it passes quickly, as long as it doesn't turn into full-blown irritation. If you've used vitamin C successfully in the past, if you've used lactic acid successfully, if you've used my skincare routine and you use vitamin C and lactic acid back to back like I do every day, then you should have no problem with this and you should be good to go. What I would recommend if you do have a little bit of tingling the first time you use it is just to ease in slowly with it. You know, your skin will acclimate to things that it's not used to over time, but you need to introduce them slowly. And there's more instructions on how to do that over on the website. Normally, vitamin C serums that are just vitamin C, they should be clear like water. Ours is a little bit of a milky white color because of the lactic acid added to it and the resveratrol. So it doesn't look like every other vitamin C on the market, and it's a little bit more viscous than other vitamin Cs. I don't know if you guys have used, like me, the watery vitamin C, and it's so hard to get it on because it's running right through your fingers. And so I feel like an upgrade to the vitamin Cs is that this is more of a serum. So it has a little bit more of a slip to it. It's not as watery. It spreads beautifully over the skin and is not running through your fingers, so it's less messy to use. It's also not in a dropper bottle. How many times have you knocked over your dropper bottle and spilled the entire thing all over? So many times. I love it that this is in an airless pump, so there's no spilling. Even though we've got it in an airless pump and we put a nitrogen blanket on top so that there's no air in there, it still will oxidize over time. It's just the nature of vitamin C serum. If you're going to purchase this and not use it for a little while because you're using something else up, we recommend putting this in the freezer. We've done stability testing on it. If you put it in the freezer, you can pull it out and it will not have changed at all. It will not have oxidized at all, and then you can start using it there, and then it should last you a good 3 months. To keep All In serum fresher longer, store it in the refrigerator while in use. Refrigeration is optimal for maximum freshness. So the way I use these is I use my All In serum first step in the morning. It's one pump to my face. I spread it around and rub it in, and then a second pump to my neck, my chest, and the backs of my hands. Then I follow it right up with my Activate lotion. To apply the Activate lotion, I put one pump on my fingertips. I spread it around my face and my neck and rub it in. Then I use another pump for my chest and the backs of my hands. I recommend putting all your skincare on your neck, your chest, and the backs of your hands. You can use this once a day. You could use the All In serum at night if you're not using a retinoid, but if you're using a retinoid at night, I recommend separating it and using it in the morning. For the Activate lotion, I actually use this twice a day. I use this morning and night. My morning skincare routine now is wash my face, put on my All In serum, top it with my Activate lotion, put on my sunscreen, and then I'm done for the day and ready to go. Then at night, I remove my makeup. I do put on 2 prescription skincare items, my prescription tretinoin and my prescription estrogen. Then I top that with my Activate lotion, and then I go to bed. We package both products in airless pump bottles to protect the active ingredients. The bottom of the bottle moves up as you use it, and so there's no waste. You don't have to be cutting your packages open to get another week's use out of them. When these are empty, they are completely empty. Our products are cruelty-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, SD alcohol-free, vegan, and can I just mention one last thing about these? Great for travel. I've been traveling with these for about a year now, I gotta say, and oh my gosh, to just put these 2 things in my DOP kit and hop on a plane has been amazing. Not to be wondering what to do with 10 little glass bottles that are going to be breaking in my luggage and decanting them. We have taken all the guesswork out of it for you. We've mixed them all together for you. by an expert chemist who has been in the industry for 60 years. He really knows what he's doing with skincare. My dad, can I brag about him for a couple minutes? My dad is one of the smartest people I know. He's 88 now. We started this project when he was a little bit younger, but still doing this, having me say, Dad, put all these things and make it elegant and make it usable and make it not ball and pill and make it effective. That was quite a tall order, and especially for me, you guys know how picky I am about things. I don't love everything, it has to be just right for me, and he did it. And I am so proud of these. I'm so proud of him for being able to do this, because it's not easy to pack the amount of active ingredients that we have in each bottle in there. His career and his knowledge is amazing. I mean, he is just brilliant and a brilliant business partner, and there is no one else that I would rather be doing this with. I'm getting a little misty here because I'm just so thankful. I'm just so fortunate. You don't even know what it means to me to be able to do this. It just means the world to me to have these products, to have developed these products. It's not like some other company approached me and said, hey, we've got these products. We want you to slap your name on them. It's not that. This is literally from my heart and soul, and from Dad's brain. And so we combined my heart and soul about skincare and his brain, and this is what we've come up with, and I hope you guys love it. We're not trying to sell you a miracle or some amazing cream that nobody's heard of before that's going to turn the clock back and make you look 20 again. But these are the workhorses of anti-aging skincare. These are the most proven, the most effective things that you can get that actually do something. And it does take a lot of them to make a little bit of a difference. But using these 8 ingredients in here and 6 ingredients in here can really make a huge difference in your skin. And I know because I've been using them in separate bottles for the last 12 years, and they have made a big difference in my skin, and they keep it healthy looking. They keep my barrier healthy. They keep it nice and not irritated. They keep it less wrinkled and having more collagen and looking plumper and firmer and just looking healthy and having that healthy lit from within glow that my skin just has. Not solely because of these, but also because of these. The website is live and ready to go today, so I'll put the link in the description box below the video. You can hop on over there if you want to learn more about the products or if you want to order. We have a special on the bundle. When you buy them both together, you get $5 off plus free shipping. So that's $63 for what would normally cost $178 to purchase all of the items separately that you get in these 2 little bottles. I don't have a discount code because we have priced these so tight that there really isn't room for a discount code. What we wanted to do was have the everyday price be the low price. And I hope that my first 2 products and all the products that are to come will make your life easier and help you to save some money while keeping your skincare effective. Thank you so much for enabling me to be able to do something like this. Without you, without my audience, without you being with me for this journey, seeing how these ingredients have helped my skin, I'm not sure that I would be here launching a business at 62, which is crazy to think about. And especially that my dad is in his late 80s and we're launching this business, but I am so excited about it, and I hope you are too, and I hope that you will love the products. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends. If you know someone who is just like flummoxed by skincare and they don't know what to use and they don't know what to do, pass this on to all your friends, send them the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you all for being here with me, and I will see you in the next video. So take care, everybody. Bye-bye.